I'm gonna spook him. There we go. Got him. Holy cow. Hooked into a hawk carp. We hooked into a carp. What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Doing a little river fishing again today. A native slayer. 10 propel. Hoping to get into some smallmouth. Anything, really. It's first time fishing this section of river, so I really don't know where the hot spots are, where the honey holes are, but we're just gonna do a little exploring and throw some different stuff, see if we can't find some fish, so stay tuned. There we go, we got something. Holy smallie. We got a smallie. We got a smallie. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. It's nothing huge right there, but he's a fighter. He is a fighter. No, what actually is a decent size. He's a very decent size. Oh, I got eyes on him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, that's a decent sized smallie right there. For sure. For sure. Oh, sure. There we go, baby. Come here. Remember some small jaws? Yeah. Got him. Probably a good 16-incher. Beautiful. Beautiful small jaws. Yeah. Awesome. Let's let you go, buddy. There he goes. Okay. First fish, smallmouth, again on the Necro-Helgramite, and we didn't get skunked, so that's a good day right there. I am getting bit up by mosquitoes right now. Crazy. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. There we go, got one. I don't know what it is, it's something small. Maybe it's a small smallie. Might be. Yeah, it's a small smallie. Come there, buddy. There we go. Fish number 2, small guy. Dual blast. Little dude. Yeah, that's a largemouth. Little largemouth. Okay. There we go. Got one. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. We got a smallie. It's a nice smallie. Another nice smallie. Oh, he's a little football. He's a football smallie. Come on, buddy. Let me caught my transducer. Got him. Got him. Holy cow. Oh yeah, this is bigger than the last one. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. Nice Smallie. It's probably a 16, 17 incher. Beautiful. Beautiful Smallie. Yeah. Nice. Okay, buddy. Oh. Little guy. Little guy, come on, little guy. There we go. Little guy. Okay, buddy. Be gone. Right in here. Let's give this a shot right here. Yeah, I like it in here. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. One more shot right in there. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. It's nothing huge. It's a dink. Come here. Another dinky largemouth. That's 2 dinky largemouth. Little guy. Okay. Let's get a big largie. What do you say? Big largemouth. That'd be cool. What do we got there? That's some weeds. There's a carp. This carp was like wanting to check it out, man. I'm gonna spook him. There we go. Got him. Holy cow. Hooked into a hawk carp. We hooked into a carp. He took that Helgramite. Can you believe that? Oh, glad I got the paddle drive today, man. Oh yeah. Come on, Mr. Carpy. How are you? Decent sized carp too. I haven't caught a carp since I was like a kid. I didn't think he was gonna go for it, man, but he did. I dropped it right in front of his face. He moved in on it. Bam, snatched it. I set the hook. Now we just gotta bring him in. Oh man. Come on, buddy. Come on, Mr. Carp. Oh yeah. Well, I got a 6-pound leader on here, I think. I don't want to break it, so I got the drag set a little loose here. Not super loose, but this is a 5.5-foot ultralight rod. Man, he's just sinking. Come on, dude. Oh, he does not want to come up. This is a 5.5-foot ultralight with a 6-pound fluoro leader on some braid. I mean, the braid will hold up, but at that. Man, he's digging deep. I haven't caught a carp forever, man. This was the first time I've caught a carp for like forever. I think I did catch one a few years ago. I was targeting them with some corn, but man, this is a good sized one. I could just get him up so I can net him. Does not want to come up though. Can't really horse him in. Come on, dude. Come on. Where are you? Come on. Oh, look at that rod bend over. There he is. Come on, buddy. Come on. There he is. I got him. Oh, if I could just. He's big. He's a good sized carp. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Who's this guy? Ah, there he goes, right into the net. Oh yeah. We got a hefty boy here. Carp. Oh yeah. Look at that son of a gun. On the mule jig and the Nico Helgramite. Caught me a carp. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, he's a big old chunker. Big old chunker. There we go. Mr. Carp. Let's let him go. Let's let him go. There he goes. Not a pretty release, but trying to get him back in. Okay. A carp. All right, all right. That was so cool, man. And that just came out shortly after netting him. The mule jig with the Nico Helgramite. Awesome, man. That was so cool. So cool. Sweet. Well, two nice smallies. And that carp, man, made my day right there. Made the trip all worth it. Not that it was a super far trip. I mean, it's only 40 minutes away. I'm fishing right now. It's only 40 minutes away from my house, but I wasn't sure how I was going to do here, you know. Thought maybe, you know, no idea where to fish. I was going to get maybe skunked or something, so got some decent fish. Got a carp. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. Let's go ahead and fish for some more, man. I mean, it's still early. I've only been out here for maybe 2 hours. Oh, thought I had a snag. Come on. Thought that was a snag. I don't know if I got a good hook set on him though. Still don't know what it is. I think it's a smallie, but it's fighting kind of weird. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think it's another carp, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Son of a... Son of a gun, man. I lost it. Whatever it was. I don't know what it was. I never got eyes on it. Crazy. Thank you. Broke my line. Son of a gun. I lost my Hellgrammite. I lost my mule jig. I tied on a donkey tail on a mule jig. I think that's a 1/16 ounce. I played that fish stupid. I was trying to bring him up. I wanted to see what it was. I couldn't tell if it was a smaller. I thought maybe I hooked into another carp. And I was trying to yank him up too quick to get a look at him. And I should have just let him run. And as I yanked him up, I got underneath, got line tangled up in the transducer. And then I got the line broke. So, oh well. Oh. Got a bluegill, little guy. What size of him? There you go, buddy. Small little guy. Well, all of a sudden we're getting into panfish, it looks like. Oh, no. Another smallie. Little guy. Or largemouth. They're a little largemouth, man. Little dinks. Largies that I've caught. This little guy. I'm done working the shoreline. We're gonna go back to that creek where I caught that first smallie. See if we can't get another one or two more before we call it a day. So let's do it. Oh, there we go. We got one. We got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a nice one. Let's not lose this one this time. Oh, it looks like it's a pike. Oh, that's a tiger muskie. This is my first ever tiger muskie. I gotta bring him in, though, man. I gotta bring him in. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. It's not a huge one, but he's my first ever. Yes! Calm down. Calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. Thank you. Getting himself all wrapped up in this stuff. Come on, buddy, come on. Just calm down. I promise. I'll get you off the hook. I promise you. I'll just drop my whatchamacallit in there. Look at that. Just stay there. Just stay there. There it is, boys. My first ever tiger muskie. Yeah. Look at that. First ever tiger muskie. He fought like a champ. Okay, let's let him go. Get him in there. There he goes. Yes. Nice. Holy moly, he tore my stuff up. That right there just made my day. Okay, with that tiger muskie, I'm gonna call it my first ever tiger muskie. I'm pretty pumped about that. Got him on the 1/16 ounce mule jig and a cream frisky frog. Had a great day today fishing the river. This is the first time I've ever fished this section of the Seneca. Got a couple nice smallies on the Helgramite, and I think a 1/32 ounce mule jig. Got that carp on the Helgramite in the mule jig. Got some dinky largemouth bass, and then I just caught that tiger muskie. So just a cool day of multi-species fishing, multi-species catching, and it's cool to always check out new waters that you've never fished before. So had a great day, great morning. It's about noon. It's getting real warm. It's probably pushing 90 now. So I've been out here since first light. So I'm gonna call it a day. Go home, get something to eat. But as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.